Presenting the Hammerless punch tool lineup. Precision tools for marking, nail setting, and pin removal. All of these tools are spring-loaded, so no hammer is needed. With up to 5,000 psi of striking force, you get consistent accuracy and efficiency, making them ideal for repetitive tasks. The lineup includes a center punch, a combination center punch nail setter, 2 dual-head nail setters, one for precision work and one for general construction, and finally, a door hinge pin remover. Subscribe now for woodworking advice and new tools to elevate your projects.